In this brief video, we'll talk about ultrasound technicians and where you can receive free information on schools near you. Ultrasound technicians conduct ultrasound tests, but they also maintain records of the patients. They counsel patients and answer their questions. They prepare the ultrasound machines and then clean and recalibrate them. Transfer patients to treatment rooms, operate equipment while minimizing patient exposure to sound waves, and assess the results and determine the need for additional testing. Now, ultrasound techs can work in a variety of healthcare facilities, including hospitals, private practices, clinics, and outpatient diagnostic imaging centers. Now, the type of training programs that are available include the associate degree, which is typically an 18 to 24-month program, and it is the most common to become an ultrasound technician. Also offered, not as readily available, but offering a more comprehensive education is the bachelor's degree. That is a 4-year program. There are postgraduate certificate programs available to graduates in a related field, for example, radiology. And there are some online programs offered by different institutions. But keep in mind that they're not completely online, as you will have to satisfy the clinical portion of the education either in an internship program or on campus. Now, some of the questions I ask ultrasound tech schools is, first of all, is their program accredited? You'll also want to check to make sure they have a good reputation within the medical community. Accreditation by such organizations as the Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education Programs can help ensure that you're enrolling in a good quality program. You'll also want to make sure that internship programs are either sponsored or provided by the school. This can help you satisfy the clinical portion of your training, particularly if you're in an online program, and it can also give you some practical experience outside of the classroom. You want to find out what the typical class size is. Make sure that the classes are smaller or at least a moderate size, so you can ensure that you're receiving as much one-on-one personalized attention from the instructors as possible. You'll want to find out, obviously, where the schools are located. This is important if you have to commute naturally. If it's out of state, you're going to have to actually move. And if you are enrolled online and do have to go to campus for your clinical training, you're going to have to make sure that it is accessible. Find out if they have a job placement program. Naturally, once you graduate, you're going to want to start working as an ultrasound tech as soon as possible. And it's much easier to get that first position if you have assistance from the school through a job placement program. And finally, find out if the class times are available to fit your schedule. It's more important if you're working either part or full-time while you're attending school. And if you need to attend evening or even weekend classes, you're going to have to make sure that those are available. And basically any time that you need to schedule around work or other activities, you need to make sure that class times are available to fit your schedule. So, it's easy to request free information on ultrasound tech schools, either in your area or in other states. Just fill out the information form on this website, or if you're not currently on our website, just look for the link below our video, and you can go to our website and request free, no obligation information now. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started on your new career as an ultrasound technician. Request your free information, and let's get started now.